हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम फार्मास्यूटिकल इंजीनियरिंग के प्रीवियस ईयर यूनिवर्सिटी एमसीक्यूज बेस्ड ऑनलाइन एग्जाम को सॉल्व करेंगे। ऑनलाइन बेस्ड एमसीक्यूज के एग्जाम ये रहे आपके स्क्रीन पर। Question number 1. If the body is at thermal equilibrium, then the right answer is A. Question number 2. The evaporation from the surface of any liquid depends on right answer is C. Question number 3. To know the dryer size, it is necessary to know right answer is A. Question number 4. Which is most stable state of metal? Answer is A. Question number 5. Perforated bowls with a filter bag of nylon or cotton is part of answer is A. Question number 6. Mechanism of mixing in sigma blade. Answer is A. Question number 7. Corrosion of metals involves answer is B. Question number 8. Evaporation causes answer is A. Question number 9. Which of the following is not theory of corrosion? Answer is D. Question number 10. Which one of the following distillation methods is known as rectification? Right answer is B. Question number 11. Thermal conductivity is maximum for answer is A. Question number 12. Which of the following scientists invented the centrifugal separator? Answer is A. Question number 13. Which of the following metal is used as construction of pharmaceutical plant? Answer is A. Question number 14. During size separation, movement of particles can be enhanced by one of the following modes. Answer is A. Question number 15. Which one of the following distillation method is known as short path distillation? Answer is C. Question number 16. Which of the following does not influence filtration? Answer is D. Question number 17. From where the feed is introduced in the spray dryer? Answer is B. Question number 18. The principle behind centrifugation particle. Answer is D. Question number 19. Raulfia and glycyrrhiza can be reduced the best way by of. Answer is C. Question number 20. Which of the following is an example of corrosion? Answer is D. Question number 21. Which of the following with respect to mixing is true? Answer is D. Question number 22. The erosion corrosion can be controlled by. Answer is D. Question number 23. Which dryer is most efficient heat exchange between the particles and flowing air? Answer is C. Question number 24. Which of the following is called as uniform attack corrosion? Answer is A. Question number 25. The SI unit of energy is. Answer is C. Question number 26. When principle of conservation of energy is applied to flow of fluids, then resulting equation is known as. Answer is B. Question number 27. Which principle is used in freeze drying? Answer is B. Question number 28. Which of the following does not influence filtration? Answer is D. Question number 29. Ball mill uses Answer is C. Question number 30. In cyclone separator, the separation depends Answer is C. Question number 31. Which is the disadvantage of sieve shaker method? Answer is B. Question number 32. Which position of batch drying curve dry spot appears on the surface of substance? Answer is A. Question number 32. The body which absorbs all radiations incident upon it is called as Answer is A. Question number 34. Select a meal for a low melting drug. Answer is D. Question number 35. The process of deterioration of a metal due to unwanted chemical or electrochemical interaction of the metal with its environment is called Answer is C. Question number 36. The radiation emitted by black body is known as Answer is D. Question number 37. Evaporation takes place at Answer is D. Question number 38. Which are the forces used for mixing of pastes and Dutch in mixing equipment? Answer is D. Question number 39. Which one of the following distillation method is known as equilibrium distillation? Answer is A. Question number 40. Which metal makes steel corrosion free? Answer is A.